Hey guys, welcome back. We are doing the Minimalist Challenge and this is week 3 that we just completed. I can't even believe we're already moving on to week 4 already, and it's getting harder and harder every week. So this week is gonna be the hardest one yet. Okay, so we're on day 15. Beauty products and skincare is pretty much what I had all week long, and Michael had clothes. Oh, are you getting rid of your slippers too?
Yeah, because it's winter time's over, so.
Okay.
So what are we at? 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, another holy sock, 12, 13, 14, 15, there. Holy socks, old slippers,
day 15.
Shirts that have been eaten by moths or too small, too big, a tie that I wore like once.
Okay. Are those items you're gonna get rid of like tomorrow too?
You're
gonna do clothes tomorrow too?
Pants. I'm running, yeah, you know what? I'll put these in another pile of stuff.
Okay.
But for now, that's 15. And what I'm going to do with the shirts and stuff is put them in a baggie and use them as rags. But the tie and these things I'll just chuck right now.
But what I'm going to do is go through my day 15 items here and see if there's anything expired. Some of the stuff is brand new and unopened. It's just PR from companies. And then some items I purchased and just kind of stopped using because I changed up my skincare routine. Okay, day 16 was skincare and beauty products because that was my theme for this week. So that's pretty much what my everyday was. I was going through all of that, going through all my skincare, PR stuff, and just wanting to, you know, gather everything together all in one go and give it away on the website to you guys. Okay, and then Michael had hardware. Okay, it's day 16. This is Michael's collection of nails and screws and hardware.
Miscellaneous Rubik's Cubes, tacks.
Look at that little Rubik's Cube. That is cute.
Yeah, I mean.
Okay, day 16.
Day 16.
And here are my 16 items for today. So I've got all these lip balms from Pacifica, which I do like Pacifica lip balms, but I have different ones that I like. So these I'm letting go of. And then lip gloss, that one also. And then these two, let's see, this is brand new, sealed, unopened. That is going over there. This side are items that are all completely brand new, totally sealed, still unopened, that are gonna be on the blog sale. So those are my piles. And so I've got a few samples here too. So those I can toss over there on that side. Throw those in like blog sale orders or something. Day 17, I had more beauty products and Michael had racks of nails.
Similar to the last thing I got rid of.
Okay, it's day 17.
Just all these racks of nails. This is just nails, not screws or anything mixed in there. Framing nails.
Framing nails. All right, day 17 for Michael.
There we go.
I'm going through skincare again. So let's see, we've got 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There's 3 of these. Okay, so 14, 15, 16, 17. There's a couple washcloths there, but I'm just counting that as one. Okay, so let's see here. I've got to sort out which ones are new. That one is a new one that's sealed still. That one I opened. That one I opened. I've got some High Smile Coconut Whitening Mouthwash. Those are all, it's like a bunch of little, almost like sample tubes, but they're all like little individual ones in there. So I have one that I kept, but those other ones I'm gonna let go of. And then Pixie, that is the Glow Tonic Serum. And then these are the lip icing. So those are all brand new. These are still new. Those have their seals on. I'm gonna set those on that side. These glow masks. So I got 3 packs of those. 100% pure Bright Eyes eye masks. Those are new in package. This is still new and sealed. Whispers. I have no idea where that even came from, but that's gonna go on that side. These were PR from a company too, and Diba by Diba Set. I'm not sure how to say that, but I'm just counting all of this as one item because it's just a little set, even though there's a couple of products in there, and then there's like little macaroon makeup sponges in there, so that's just gonna be one item. And that is gonna go on that side. All right, day 18, I was still going through my skincare and beauty products, so I got rid of more of that, and then Michael also got rid of his pencil cub, pencils. Well, he got rid of most of his pencils. I think he just kept a few of them.
2, 4.
Michael's counting out pencils. This is day 18. Are you starting to get low on your stuff?
No.
No, you still got.
I mean, you know, to me, it's kind of like, well, what are the rules? It's like, because to me, this could be considered just one thing, but you know, if we're doing actual numbers, I'm kind of rounding out different things. I'll just keep a few, because these, you know, the pencils, when they hang around to, the rubber gets old.
Oh yeah, you're right.
They start cracking and stuff anyways, so.
Okay.
I'll donate these to maybe a school or something. I don't know.
Oh yeah, okay.
There we go.
All right, so day 18 for Michael is pencils and the pencil cup. I've got another tub. I think I have 18 items in here, but let's double check. So I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, here, 12, 14, 16, 18. There we go. Look at those beautiful palettes. And these are brand new in box, not even swatched. So those are going to be going on that side. And these two. Look how pretty these are. The glowy powders. And those are all, so these are all unopened, not even swatched or anything. So brand new in box eyeshadow palette. This one I gotta double check and make sure I didn't open that. And those are still sealed. And these are also brand new. Okay, we've got a lip lift, and then what is this one? Endless Shade Stick. And then let me double check these in the boxes and just make sure that I didn't open those at all. And that's brand new too. So look at all those. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be fun this week. Okay. Day 19, I was still continuing on with my skincare and beauty products, and then Michael had a box of seashells and sea glass and some different little, I think probably some stones and maybe some little driftwood pieces or something. So he had like a little box of that.
Yeah, I might keep that one. What the heck? That's how it goes. You go through it. So anyways, yeah, seashells, coral. I think this was from what plant you bought, right?
Yeah.
So somebody can use it. This was a parrot beak. What do they call those things?
From a fish?
Yeah, the things that make sand. I forget what they're called. Parrotfish. Yeah, parrot beak. That was a nice piece, but yeah, some big chunks. Yeah, I guess it's harder to find sea glass now because they make thinner glass. But yeah, look at those. Yeah, some big ones.
There's a little blue one.
Yeah. Throw it in there.
Do you think Creighton could use that? Or I don't know. He probably got a
He said he's got a bunch, yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, somebody will be able to use it. Day 19 then.
Okay, day 19 for Michael.
I'll keep that one as my own personal. I'll try drilling it like you said. That's a great idea.
All right.
Parrotfish.
So today I've got what is this, Pop Beauty? Yeah, so let's see, 3, 6, 9 of those. And then these were little cups. So this was from PR, it was a whole set. Okay, so we've got 11 items from Pop Beauty, and then from Pixie, we've got 12, 13, and then 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, so there's the 19 items for today, and I ended up putting all of these products into a tub just to make sure I was able to keep them all separate. So that's everything that hasn't been open. So those all go on that side, and then these are also brand new. You know what? I'm gonna need another tub here. Okay. Brand new, brand new. Yeah, I'm gonna go find another container. Hold on here. Okay, and then those cups are also brand new, but it's such a random item, huh? Okay, I'm still gonna keep those on that side. And then those aren't completely brand new because I did swatch them, so you can kind of see there. But there's no dips or anything. Like both of these are in excellent condition. But I just am gonna keep those on this side with these other items over here. Day 20, like I said, this is very repetitive on my end. I had more skincare and more beauty products to let go of, and then Michael had some catalogs, his hard hat, and what else did he have? Oh, samples and some different things. So he had like a little pile of stuff. All right, it's day 20. What's Michael got?
Old samples, old pieces of this and that, you know, that are kept.
Okay, random bits and bobs.
Catalogs, old hard hat that I don't wear anymore. Catalogs from the gym show, so.
All right, day 20. Good morning, you guys. Don't judge. It's very messy in here. We've got all kinds of stuff Michael and I are going through right now. We're gonna do the kitchen too. I'm kind of saving that though for next week, even though we're sort of like looking in cabinets and stuff right now. But anyway, Michael's cooking breakfast right now. What's Michael making? Potatoes? Okay, so it's day 20. These are my 20 items today, I think. Let me double check. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, so I've got my 20 items here. Beauty products. Is there anything in here that is brand new, unopened? These. So those are going on that side. And that I have used a couple times. Same with this one. These, any lip products, those are not for the blog sale. So those are just gonna go over here in that box. That is day 20, and I will see you guys back here for day 21. Day 21, more beauty products, finally kind of wrapping that up. I think I have a little bit more to go through, but at least that cleared out a lot of it. In fact, you know what? Oh, one of my Craigslist customers is here right now. What is she picking up? Okay, she's getting calcite bookends. Okay, I will be right back. You guys, I gotta go right now. But for day 21, Michael had his Sawzall blades, that's like for one of his tools. But you know what? I'll be right back.
Blades.
Michael has Sawzall blades. Okay. Are those going to go on Craigslist?
Yeah, put these on Craigslist. I'll leave them out like this to photograph them.
Look at your poor hand.
Yeah,
Michael has his eczema going on.
Yeah, so do that. I'll just photograph them and put them on there.
Okay. It's day 21, and I've got some Derma E products, so more skincare, beauty products. I dug through my makeup collection, grabbed a few more products out of there. I've got some other Derma E, like overnight peel, vitamin C serum, vitamin C cleansing paste, some all natural that I just took out of my makeup collection. Got some other beauty products up here, so let's see. That's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, oh, and 21. There we go. So dairy-free beauty, that's from Kite Hill. All right, so those are my 21 items for today, and that concludes week 3. We made it through. I can't believe there's so much skincare and beauty products here. So all of this, look at all that stuff. Oh my goodness, if I have any Pixie lovers out there, you guys are gonna be loving the blog sale this week. So those are all gonna be on there. Oh, Derma E too. But anything that I have opened or used or anything, I'm gonna figure out what to do with that. If any items are in like excellent condition, like barely used or just swatched or something, then those might be on the blog sale, but I'll just have to see. It's gonna be a lot of photographing, so I'm gonna get started with all of that. Okay, sorry about that, you guys. So she just picked up calcite bookends. They're really cool, but yeah, I just sold those on Craigslist, and that's actually part of today. So that's not part of week 3, that's gonna be part of week 4. So if you guys are also working on this challenge, or if you're just doing a little bit of spring cleaning, let me know in the comments below how it's going for you, because it helps keep me inspired also, and we can work together and help keep each other inspired, you know? I can't wait for week 4. This is actually turning out really fun, and I have a new goal that's set, but I'm not going to tell you guys until week 4, so I will save that for that video. So I will let you go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're doing okay. Stay safe, stay healthy out there, and I know everything's crazy in the world right now, but it's a good time, you know, since we're hunkered down in our homes, to do a little bit of spring cleaning, have fun with it, and make a game out of it, you know. Try to keep things lighthearted and, you know, feel like you're still accomplishing something even if you have to be tucked inside, you know. I love you, and be safe out there. Bye.